Once you're logged into eLearning, then you'll be accessing the dashboard. And the dashboard will have the recent accessed courses and also the course overview. And this is where the courses that you have access will be listed. If for some reason a particular course does not show up in this list, make sure that you change the filter here to show all of them. Now typically the courses will be coded, so they'll have the semester and then the course code, the section number, and then the title of the course. In our case here, we are going to start with a blank course, which will be very typical here at Cairn, and access and work with that course, build it from the ground up. Notice that you can also sort the courses here on the right hand side and change the display list of these courses as well, whether by card or by list or by the summary. Now, a couple other things before we move on with the interface here in the dashboard. On the left hand side, you will see these options for the main dashboard, the site home, calendar, private files, and such. Now this menu on the left, both in the course level and also here at this level, the dashboard level, you can minimize it by clicking on the icon here next to the logo. And the same thing you can do with the panel here on the right hand side. Notice you have the timeline here. This is where the various upcoming activities based on particular filters and such will show up, and feel free to customize that. The personal calendar, and the calendar is built through the activities that are due throughout the semester and throughout the courses. And of course you can also add additional activities on your own. We are not going to cover that at this stage, but stay tuned for another session on that. Further down here you'll have access to additional blocks as well, depending on your role here in the system. Now, at the same time, both at the course level and then the dashboard level, you can hide this block by using this blue arrow here. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to work on a blank course shell, and this is typical for all Cairn courses. The courses are created automatically through the Student Information System in the Registrar's office, and also the students are automatically enrolled in all courses. So you'll locate the course that you want to work with and click on it. And at this point, this is what the course typically will look like. Now, notice you can maximize this menu here on the left-hand side, as well as minimize and maximize the blocks on the right-hand side as well. And then the next session, I'm going to go over the components of the actual course, and then we'll start building all the components in the course.